still lit on the rest.
Woo! That's the American flag one.
I think it is, yeah.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
They got all those.
There's 2 of those on there. Yeah.
Oh.
Bottle. Those are the bottle rockets. I can tell of the noise. How much money did this spend?
A lot. I don't know.
$5,000, I think.
No.
$5 grand.
Probably about right.
$5,000. Holy crap.
Oh, can't see it.
Come out of the cottage, I couldn't even see them.
Huh?
When they came out of the cottage, I couldn't even see them. Look at. Oh my god. If the wind was a little bit more. If the wind was a little more, you get rid of it. Oh my god.
So much smoke. We can't see anything.
Definitely one to remember. I wonder, like, on that side, if you can see better from the other side.
Maybe because it's not from this side.
I wonder.
Clear it up a little bit. Look.
Oh, there it goes.
Wow.
Wow, that was a big difference in
Yeah.
a minute. Yeah.
He's gonna be so stressed out.
Yeah.
Oh my.
He's gonna be a mess.
Oh my god, he's gonna be. What?
Yeah, but you eat any of this? You hungry?
No, eat. There's rice, there's beans, there's tons of shit.
Woo! No way, that's all.
Those are good ones there. Yeah, I'm good. Chow. Chow. I'm good. I'm good.
Listen, I ate so much food already. I thought you were hungry, so I filled the plate. You know what, you're right, because look how clear it is to the right now. So it's
Yeah.
over there, so it's seeing
I
probably
betcha.
really good.
Seems like a lot of boats left, though, doesn't it? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me.
They're lighting them manually.
I don't think so, huh? Somebody, they said, Brandon called his dad and said that they switched the main box to the other one because one wasn't working.
Oh.
I don't think they've ever lit them from out there, though, have they?
No, they were
Never.
Well, since they started doing this remote for the past couple of years, they've been doing it up here. Put them out, set them up, and then. It's a little better now.
Somebody just hit me on the shoulder.
Did it?
Yeah. I just
He
felt
said-
something hit me. Was it Ash? Did you feel that? Did you
Yeah,
feel
I feel them feeling
it? You felt something?
going on my
Whacked
face
off
every
my
single
shoulder.
time.
Oh, you?
No, I just felt something whack off my shoulder.
Oh, I feel something.
Oh, see, the turtle must have been
Was it?
right here.
Scared the shit out of him?
Yeah, he just hit the water. Alright, one raft must be done.
That has to be.
Yeah, that had to be one
I
raft
think they're both
done.
fun.
You think?
Yeah.
I didn't see the other one.
Jim said that Brandon called him said they had to take the main box that powers them off the first one and put it onto the other one, and that's why there was such a big delay.
Ah.
Yeah!
I don't think the finale one
Doesn't
though.
thin it,
went-
yeah, it doesn't thin it that much. Yeah.
Nah, they're still looking at shit. There's still something.
Start a fire.
Yeah,
Yeah, let's start a fire.
yeah.
I'll wait till they're in, honey. I'm gonna lie that. Here, you want more?
No, I'm good.
Babe.
You'll eat it.
Here.
Kevin, eat some, huh?
What's wrong?
Kev, give me your leg.
You don't need to see. Just fork it in.
I literally can't see it.
You don't need to.
Eat the food. Especially you're drinking.
Oh, you're drinking, Joey?
I'm not holding your hair back later.
Joey, you drinking? What are you
I
drinking?
had one beer.
What are you drinking? Beer?
I had a Corona.
Yeah,
Oh.
they did take one of those little sandwiches. Let's give me turtle food in a minute.
I'm not my brother's.
Listen, if I made pasta right now,
What the heck is going on?
I'd have to make him a pound of pasta himself.
For who?
For him,
Oh, really?
since he was little. Uh-huh.
It's better.
You're right. Turtle.
Oh, that's why the turtle's over here. He's feeding them.
Not full now.
I keep feeling stuff in my face. It feels wet, but at the same time, I'm not sure. Oh,
You
it
guys
could be
don't
smoke.
this for the turtles.
Yeah, I'm good. I hit the spot, though.
You can probably catch a turtle.
There you go. We ate one, right?
I had pulled pork and stuff when I made those
Yeah,
little
that was
sandwiches.
There goes your cigarettes.
Shoot.
Yeah, there's like a gap behind the seat. I didn't realize.
I got him.
This whole part right here turns into a bed.
Oh, it does?
Ooh. Guess where Mom's sleeping tonight.
Wherever the pad is.
There's a center pad that fills the
I think I want to sleep in here.
Where is it?
I'm probably at home.
Oh, it's not here.
Is it? Oh, you can't. Yeah, it's not in here. It's at home. But yeah, you can put
Is that for umbrella?
Yeah, you can put a mat here and make this a whole bed.
Oh yeah, this one.
This is a cool boat.
I'd sleep on there in the middle of the night.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Especially at night like tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, hungry in 2 hours? Yeah.
I mean, can you use it later?
Yeah. Who's that? Voice sensor.